Hi everyone, today I want to talk about an important life lesson that has helped me stay curious and engaged with the world. Learning something new every day. No matter how old we are or how much we already know, there's always something new to discover and learn. Whether it's a new skill, a new language, or simply a new perspective on the world, learning helps us keep our mind active and our hearts open. When we make a conscious effort to learn something new every day, we are also investing in our personal and professional growth. We become more adaptable, more resilient, and more confident in our ability to take on new challenges. Learning also helps us connect with others and fosters a sense of community. When we share our knowledge and expertise with others, we create opportunities for collaboration and mutual support. So whether it's reading a book, watching a documentary, or taking a new course, make a commitment to learning something new every day. Challenge yourself to step outside your comfort zone and explore new ideas and experiences. Remember, the more we learn, the more we grow. So keep seeking knowledge, keep expanding your horizons, and keep living life to the fullest. Thanks for watching.